Hey guys, start again. Hey guys, this is Joe Baker with Joe Baker Photography, and this is a continuation of my lighting series. This is going to be the 2 light, but we're going to be in the studio because it's damn cold outside, and I don't want to shoot outside when it's cold. Anyways, I am here with my amazing model, Tejal, and we're doing 2 lights. I have currently my Cheetah Stand 32-inch 48 or 32-inch by 48-inch softbox, and we have a grid on it, and I'll show you why we have a grid on it here shortly. And then I have my Octabox back here in the corner. Yep, and it is on a boom. Let's see if I can show you that. Let me switch it around. This will be better. We're on a boom, and I have it pointed at her back shoulder, and it is also using a grid. I will be taking some photos. You guys will be able to see the behind the scenes. I have another camera going so you can see Miss Tejal posing, and then I'm also going to be recording my screen so you'll see the images as they pop up, and you guys can definitely see that. All right, let's get started. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that first set because it was amazing, right? Yes, it was amazing. All right, so we moved on to our second set, and we are still using 2 lights, and I'm using the same 2 lights because I want you if you work with what you have. Some people don't have a studio, but I have my key light, which is up here on a boom, and it's straight over, and you'll notice that she is on the very back edge of the light, not underneath it. She doesn't have to be like totally underneath it. And then I have the same Cheetah Stand light over here, and this is gonna be my edge light, so it's gonna have a little edge on her left-hand side. And then to make sure that I fill in the shadows, I've laid a V-flat right there on the floor to kind of push the light back up into her. Wait, here I am. So yeah, we're gonna record the screen again. We're gonna take some awesome shots, and hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, we are on our final set and of our 2-light series. This time we're kind of doing a beauty type of look, and I have 2 lights. This time we're doing a clamshell lighting, so we have this light from above, still on the boom, and then I have this lower strip light right here, lifting, adding light to the bottom of her face. You have to be careful about the bottom light. You don't want it to be too strong because then it looks like uplighting or horror lighting, and we don't want that, definitely. And we're focused really tight on the face. And I forgot to tell you guys, but I'm shooting with my Sony a7R5 with my 50 to 150 f2G master, and our settings are 1/160th of a second f8. That's probably at f7.1 for the other shoots, and then my ISO is 100. Enjoy this shoot. Let me know if you have any questions, and we're going to get going.
Run away. Turn the page. We'll live in endless summer. Elevate. Wide awake. We'll live in endless summer. Run away. Turn the page. We'll live in endless summer. Elevate. Wide awake. We'll live in endless summer.
Hey guys, we just finished up with our last set. Tejal, how was the shoot?
It was amazing. He's so talented. It's insane.
Right. We had a great time, and I hope that you learned something using 2 lights. It doesn't have to be complicated. And remember to shoot inside when it's warm. Where it's warm. That's really the important thing. Awesome. Remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And if you have any questions, I think I already said this, but I'll say it again. If you have any questions, put it in the comments, and then be sure to check out my playlist here of all of my recent stuff. And other than that, grab your camera and just go shoot, man.